since my phone decided to die, I didn't get a video on the way down here, but we got one on the way home from Tunnel Hill, picking up an old F100, complete piece of junk. I mean, like, horrible piece of junk. But it's going to start its new life as a waterfall in a pond. And Hunter helped me get a little bit of video this time of my fat butt jumping up and down and laying on my back and all the lazy stuff I do. Say hi, Hunter.
Howdy.
No, I said say hi, Hunter.
Oh, my bad. Hi.
Hi, Hunter.
Hi, Hunter.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, sorry for no video on the way down. Didn't have a charger, had to stop and buy one. Couldn't use Hunter's phone because his camera is absolutely terrible. And forgot to charge my GoPro. You know, super prepared for this whole situation. But I will get some video when we get back to Dayton to drop this off. Well, we are on our way back from dropping the old truck off, and I'll do an update on it at some point if it ends up being a water fountain at the edge of a pond, like what his intentions are, but who knows. Thanks for watching.